Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Carla Moore, aka Patra, aka Janet Jackson, a Poetic Justice, aka Shaquita, aka I'm need right now is a big mail truck with 2-pack in it for make that hairstyle make sense. And I know that I'm supposed to be shooting. It's a yachting right now. You have a set of people that I really need to hold a reason with. I'm just a beg on the do for me to talk to them. I want to talk to the $100 girls them. $100 girls, you know who you are. Stop acting like you don't know who you are. Stop look back at you. I know your cousin me I talk to, or you me I talk to. No, I'm gonna tell you what you did last night in case you're having problems identifying yourself. You're the ear, you're the nails, you're the road, and somehow you got the impression that this was you doing something with your life. Beg you so much. You went out and you were looking fabulous, and all of the man them look at, and you go home with a clutch purse full of number. And this morning, before 10 o'clock could have rise up properly, before the man them could have kick football, come home, boil liquor porridge, drink it and belch, you did send all of them man here a please credit me for $100. Better yet, you send him a please credit me for $378 because that's a whimsical number and it would make you appear cute. To each his own. The one thing you need to know is this. Every time this man sends you credit, he's making a down payment on vagina. And every time he sends you credit, the length of time between when he make the down payment and when he plan for cash in on it gets smaller and smaller and smaller. So if you plan to continue this beggy behavior and offering up your vagina on higher purchase like it is a settee at courts, please expect that within like the next 3 days, he's going to think he's going to sleep with you by the end of the week. No. I'm not one of those people who feels that because a man let off a small span you is entitled to anything offer you. When a woman share her body with you is when she share her body with you. I don't business if you have purchased a yacht and like a mountain and like a star for her. However, me cannot sit down and go on like the girl them supposed to just tax out the man's up because it is not correct. Clearly, if you meet the man last night and today you are begging money, you're not interested in this man for any relationship. You do not want any conversation or any even fabulous body. What you think is that this man is the type of ATM that you don't even have to put in a card. You just stroke it and money come flying out. And all you need to accept is that if you want to treat the man like a bank, the man is going to treat you like an investment. And like anybody who have an investment, one day they're going to cash in. So you must be prepared to pay over whatever it is. If you want to dive off and splash in the man billfold, you see what I'm saying? The man is going to want to dive off and splash in something else of yours. It sounds crass, but it needs to be said. You don't call the man. You only call the man when it is you need to be taken somewhere, your computer or your printer stop work, or you need to go to dinner. And when you go dinner, you have the God for your order two food. You order one and tell them to keep one in the back for your doggy bag. Now I don't know if you're not clear how this doggy bag thing works. The doggy bag is food that was left on your plate that you were carrying home for your doggy. That's right, your doggy become affiliated on a primary school style. So how is it you can be ordering an entire meal as a doggy bag? And how it is that you cannot go on one date with a man but you order food for feed you the next day? No, the date is not all you can eat for the rest of your life. The date is all you can eat while you are sitting there. Better yet, oh you order food for carry home for roommate. Oh you order food for carry home for cousin. You look the cousin? When the time comes to do the sexual labor, is she going to come and put in any other work on have a shift system where you work from like 8 to 12 and she come in from 12 to 4? If it is that your sexual relationship is running like an all-age school on shift, then that is fine. But if not, the cousin needs to sit home and eat bread and drink water because that is what her budget can allow her. Or otherwise, she needs to go and find a man to tax on her own. Can we please stop having this one conversation? I mean, no, not go vex because me a boss can. But no need to stop. You meet the man 2 days ago, you talk to the man pan BB, right? All of a sudden, you wake up, peer frowny face pan BB, crying face and all of them something that the man asks you what go on you. I know that I just start talk to you, but I just feel this connection to you and boy, my BB plan out for expire and I can't believe somebody said it to you, but I have no money for renew the plan because I did have to lend my cousin $20,000 because she did have to carry her son to the hospital. So because of that, I not even have the money right now for renew the plan. Churching, because it's right there so now the man is supposed to pick up the rake that the love of his life, who he has known for like 2 days, is about to be out of communication and offer to pay for the plan for you. Now let me tell you something, gentlemen, somebody need to have a word with you. You cannot spot lace front wig, you cannot tell when woman wearing booty pop, and you cannot tell when woman is bleaching. Look here, you cannot tell when you're being conned either. If you pay for that credit. Mystically, she will never get that $20,000 back for that cousin, but they will remain friends forever because you will be paying for that BB plan to be renewed until one or both of you die because it's con. She just can't. No, me not say nobody. Me not say it wrong for buy credit for nobody. No, because people buy credit for me. I'm a buy credit for people. I'm not saying that you're a pale pie if you buy credit for people or you're a jagabite if you ask people to buy credit for you. But the one thing that I ask you is this: if she never met you 2 days ago, how the plan did I go renew? If she never met you 2 days ago, somebody else in her family didn't go buy it. So how come you, the newest person to her, become the person who is responsible for bearing our burdens like Jesus on the cross? Beg you so much. Must Jesus bear the cross alone and let the world go free? Must you be man in this girl when she have an entire family? That's all I am saying to you. Now, on the other side, gentlemen, can you please stop acting like every time you give a woman anything money-wise that it is an investment in the bank of vagina and you have a little book that one day you're going to carry it and hold up the line and ask them to update the book and close the account and withdraw all of the vagina in there? It's ridiculous. When you go out with your brethren, you buy guineas after guineas after guineas and you don't mind doing it because you enjoy your friend them company. When you're going out with a woman, I assume you're going out with her because you enjoy her company as well. So why is it that every time you buy anything for her, you expect her to bend over and take something in return for it? The girl sent you a please credit me. She didn't send you a please dick me. So please don't send any dick along with the credit and expect that one day you just go walk up on her and she gonna be like, oh yeah, I know I've been getting the dick in small parts, so here's the whole thing and let's go. No, that's not how it works. You are encouraging the $100 girls to come into your life with that type of behavior. Or better yet, why don't just stop dating $100 girl them altogether? If you say someone don't know, say only there with the $100 girl them and a hold against the $100 girl them when you knew what you were getting into. There are women out there who buy their own credit. I will gladly buy a little credit for you as well. But because those women are independent and paying their own way, they're going to be a little bit lippy. Some of them don't want to deal with the lip and the back chat. What you want is a woman that you can pay to be silent. If that is the case, go ahead and buy this girl and move on with your life. But don't keep on buying the girl and being upset at her for acting like what she is. You cannot expect to buy a cat and expect it to act like a dog. No, the cat is not going to go roof, the cat goes meow. Go back to the pet store and ask for what it is that you really want. You see what I'm saying? But understand where it come from. Jamaican people have traditional ideas about gender role, but because of with socioeconomic situation, we've never been in a position where a man can just go out and be the breadwinner and the woman can just stay home and receive it. So what it come back as now is the woman going, if him feels him can put one finger upon me without let off something upon me, my idiot. I no cash for gold, I cash for me all in my fool. And the man, if me spend 1 cent for here just I put one finger upon her head, she try to know say she have to come here, come bubble and bounce upon it because me not fat and fall for mangoes. After me not pay money for girl look good for next man snatch her, she a idiot. And all of these things. Me can't tell when last year Jamaican people actually talk about love. It's just about who can bubble upon it and who can bounce, like pay them for bubble upon it. It's all transactional. Whatever it is, we are where we are. All I'm saying is this. Men, stop treating a girl like they're prostitutes. No problem with being a prostitute, but if it is that you're not looking for one, then stop treating the girls like they are one. If you're buying something for a woman to be nice, then just buy it to the woman to be nice. Women, please stop treating the men like they're ATMs. And more importantly, $100 girls, you're making us look bad. Please stop. moretalkja.wordpress.com, at More Mayhem on Twitter. Please follow me, find me. Thank you for allowing me to go off whatever today. Bye bye.